Hi, folks. Welcome back. We're going to talk a little bit about the information intake process. As human resources professionals, it is important that you gather the information both about the company you work for and the intending alien worker, because this information will be required as you go through the immigration process with perhaps your outside counsel, immigration law firm, or if you're dealing directly with the government. There's basically two types of information. You'll need information about the worker and information about the company. Information about the company, you should have access to that fairly readily since you work there. You'll want to know obviously all the contact information for the company. You'll want to know the management structure, who's in charge, who's going to be signing off on forms relating to immigration documents. You're also going to want to know when the company was founded, when it was incorporated, the number of employees, the nature of the company, the nature of the type of work it performs, how many immigrants has it sponsored in the past, how many are currently working in immigration status at the company. You're going to want to know the Secretary of State information and licensing codes and other government identity facets of the company, EIN numbers and SOC codes and NAICS codes. You'll want to know the number of employees at the company as well, and how many each manager supervises. You'll want to also have pictures available of the company's business headquarters, etc. For the alien, you'll also want information about the alien, although as I stated earlier, the alien technically is not the client of the law firm of the company, but you'll need to know, and I've got an intake sheet right here in my office, information about the alien, basic information such as their place of date of birth, when they entered the United States, if they're in the United States, if they're not, where they intend to consular process, where have they lived before, where have they worked and lived for the last 5 years, what are their educational qualifications, have they ever been in deportation proceedings, are they married, do they have children, do they intend to bring their spouse and child with them as they come to the United States. You'll want to have information about their skills, the universities that they went to, whether or not they have any criminal activity or immigration violations in the past, or any arrests, or any kind of communicable diseases or issues of that nature. I've linked a couple of sample questionnaires on Blackboard, so please take a look at those. And just be aware that as an HR professional, it's very, very critical to gather this information because it will be requested later on down the line. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.